So good morning, everyone. Let's start our session. Yesterday, we have seen how system.out.println work and what is our main method and syntax of each and every part of this complete first program. This first program we have seen, and we are now discussing about the next topic, but I will revise one time. So this is our hello world, whatever we are writing in double quote. So that double quote, how it will be like. Okay, so this hello world will go to whom? First, this hello world, we are having one statement system.out.println. If you see, so system.out.println is one. System is what? System is what? System is user defined, sorry, predefined class. System is predefined class. Okay, system is predefined class. Similarly, print stream is a predefined class. We can call as Java defined class as well. First program is who developed the first program? I have developed the program. Means we are the developer. So we have write this into the package. Okay, this is the package. So this is the package. Okay. Now what happen is this is the first program we have write to print hello world. So what happen? How it work? This system.out.println, how it work? Like system is a class. Like how we have created our class. Java people created one system class, right? And print stream class. As print stream class belongs to whom? This is native library, so we cannot call directly. Okay. So for this, what we have did, what Java people has did, like they created one system class. So whatever the method is, we are using print, println, printf. So see, in this we are using method. This is method name. This is class name. We are calling class name dot object name from object name dot println. Guys, again, one more time. We are calling class name to object. What is object? Here it is the object. Out is the object. Out is the object. Right? Okay. So we are calling from system. System is a class which is calling out. Out is object of which class? Print stream class. Because before out, what is written? Print stream. Okay. So we are calling system dot out. Then out is the object of which class? Print stream class. So inside print stream, what are the method? Print method, println method, printf method. Which method we are calling using print stream? Println method. Okay, this is the call. This is the call. Now this hello world. See here, system is called. Now from system, this out method is called. From out method, out is a variable of which class? Print stream. Print stream is called. Print stream is called. But how we are importing print stream into our system class? Because system is one class, print stream is another class. So how we can do it? Print stream is java.io package and system is java.lang package. How we are bringing print stream into system? Using import. See, import java.io.printstream. Java.io.printstream. So that with this line we are importing printstream statement and we are calling printstring class. Okay, hope you are good. Okay. Now we are calling whatever method, println method. So println method, what we are doing? Println method is called, and with this println method, println method is called. So internally, println method is calling whom? Println method is calling print. So whatever hello world is there, this hello world will be carried through system to out and then out to print message in the here as a parameter. Then hello world be some logic will be there to display. But in println, it is calling whom? Println is going to call whom? Println is going to call print method. And then whatever the logic is there, then it will print the output That we have seen in yesterday's session. Hope you are good. Now, after understanding yesterday's sysout, we try to understand this main method: public, static, void, main, string, args, array. Okay. For that, we have explained, we have seen what is public. Public, because who is running the program? JVM software running the program, and it is going to access main method. It is going to access main method. This is the syntax. तो मेन मेथड शुड बी एक्सेसिबल. मेन मेथड को एक्सेस करना है. कौन करेगा एक्सेस मेन मेथड को? जेवीएम करेगा. तो जेवीएम इज ए सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल इन योर C drive, so it should access your program. Program is somewhere wherever you are giving the location, so it should be public. So JVM will call main method because main method is public. That's why it is marked as public. Why static, guys? So that to access and execute main method without creating an object. Okay, we are not creating an object. We have seen yesterday in more detail, but I am just giving the overview. Hope you are good. Then we have seen void. Who is calling main method? JVM is calling main method. Main method is not going to suppose give any output. Main method कोई output देने वाला नहीं है. और output JVM लेके भी क्या करेगा? जब output ही नहीं चाहिए तो हमने क्या रखा है इसे? void. मेथड नेम के इनसाइड में इनपुट दिए जाता है. मेथड के लेफ्ट साइड में जो होता है वो प्लेस होता है रिटर्न टाइप यानी आउटपुट का. तो अभी हमें आउटपुट मेन मेथड से कुछ नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए हमने इसे void रखा है. नाउ व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर वी वांट टू पास? वी वांट टू पास सम पैरामीटर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. one parameter, two parameter. We want to do some addition of two number. 1 plus 1, 2. So we will pass n number of argument. We should pass n number of argument based on our requirement. To pass n number of argument, we have this symbol square bracket, closing and open close square bracket. So this is what? Array. What is mean by args? Args means full form is argument. Argument meaning input. Okay. So guys, this is CMD. This is CMD, command prompt. This is command prompt. Let's say we are passing some parameter from this console. This console, two parameter. So this is computer, right? This is computer command prompt. So it should be, if you pass any value like ABC or 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be considered as string. String means collection of character. I explained yesterday. So it should pass as string. What is the type? String. Why keep string? Because everything which we pass from command line, so that data which come here from command line or run configuration, it will come as string, as an English statement. So later we can change that value. How to change that value? That is different part. But why string? We cannot keep this different like integer, because whatever we are passing parameter from command line, that will be coming from our keyboard. We are typing here, right? Something we are typing. So whatever we are typing, that will flow inside this argument. This will hold these values, even numbers, English character. So that's why it is args. Okay. Yesterday we have seen this topic, guys. Now today's topic. Now we are starting our main Java. Let's say core Java fundamental. This is the very first chapter we can consider. Till now what we have seen, guys? Till now we have seen history of Java, which team developed the Java, who is the people, who is the team, what are the version, all these things. Those things are not logical thing. Okay, but going from this point onward, we are jumping into our core Java fundamental. We are jumping into our core Java fundamental. Whatever we are starting, each and every topic will be helpful for your development, your coding development, right? Whatever we have seen, this is introduction to core Java. What are prerequisites? Nothing is required. If you don't know coding, So no need to worry. We will teach from scratch. What is the history of Java? Who developed the Java? What is that? Why they keep Java name? Everything we have seen, and recording is available in YouTube. What are the version of Java? Okay, we have seen. This is nothing to do with the logical thing. Then we have seen what are the types of Java. Java Standard Edition, Enterprise Edition, Mobile Edition. What are the frameworks name? Who developed the framework? What is the Java feature? It is a simple, secure, robust, portable, neutral architecture, object-oriented, multi-threaded, high-performance, distributed, dynamic, byte-coded, interpreted, garbage collection, open sources. These are the feature we have seen. These are the definition. Means you can understand why is Java popular with all these things. These are definition. This is nothing to do with your coding. Okay. Then we have seen simple syntax. Then we have seen what is compiler, what is software, compiler, what is compiler, then what is JVM, what is API, compiler, what is the role of compiler, what is the role of JVM. Okay. What is the type of software, JDK, JRE. Okay. This we have seen. This is nothing to do with your logic now. But these are the things you should know, because when you are installing the software, you should know what is JDK. You should know what is JRE. What is the difference? I explain in the session. What is J? This is nothing to do. Now, today onward, we are starting our main topic. Okay. This is what we have seen. What is the code? How we can write the code. So this is the Eclipse, STS, through which we can write the code. Okay. Then Java C and Java, these are the command. Okay. Then we have seen to write a hello world program, to write a hello world program, to write a hello world program. What is required mainly? One class is required. One main method is required. To print something we required sysout statement. Okay. So this thing we required. Package is required. We have seen this module, package, okay, class. We have not yet discussed this part. Okay, we know what is interface. Okay, what are the variable, method, constructor, block. Only definition, name we know, but no need to worry. Okay, then we have run the first program. So this is the sysout statement. What is sysout statement? Yesterday we have seen, right? Then we have seen this diagram which I explained initially. This is our discussion. Then we have seen what we have seen. We have seen what is main method. Okay, this is the syntax. Because this is why important. Every day when I will run one program, I need this method. Even though I did not go into actual topic, what is public, but I explain you basic meaning of static, basic meaning of void. Actual the topic is yet to come. Okay. So now today is the main topic, guys. You can consider. Today we are starting actual topic. If some guys join today also, so now focus. There are 3 recordings available in the YouTube. I already updated in the channel. If you did not join the channel, I request you to join the WhatsApp channel so that you can go through those recording. It will take hardly 3 hours and you can resume the today's session. Okay, no need to worry. And one more thing, guys, what I am saying is we are giving placement to those people who are joining our full stack batches. Okay, this is Core Java batches, which is totally free. We are not charging anything. This is like not only for 1 or 2 sessions. We are providing complete Core Java. Those who are joining from last couple of days, they know because they are joining. There is no charges for this Core Java batch. Okay, we are explaining each and everything in detail. Okay, till now, hope everything is clear. Okay, so oh sorry, let me increase the voice. Is my voice is good now? Voice is good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now, guys, what are the topic we are going to see in our this Core Java fundamental? What are the topic? We are going to see what are identifier. What are the identifier? Okay. Then what is the rules to define the Java identifier? Then what we are going to see? Then we are going to see reserved keywords. What we are going to see? Reserved keywords. Okay. So how many reserved keywords are there? How many reserved keywords are there? So there are reserved keys for data type. There are reserved key for data type. There are 8 reserved key for data type. Okay. Then next, reserved key for flow control. They are reserved key for flow control. How many reserved key? How many reserved key for flow control? There are 11 reserved key for flow control. When I am saying reserved keyword means these are the keyword which are defined inside Java. For example, yesterday we have seen public. We have seen the package. See, ID showing all the things in pink color. So void is one reserved keyword. Static is reserved keyword. Public is reserved keyword. Class is reserved keyword. Package is reserved keyword. So almost there are 50 plus reserved keyword. Okay. So similarly, data type, there are 8 data type. So those data type are considered as reserved keyword. Then we have flow control, like if else, who, while loop. Okay, all these things comes under. We will see one by one. Then flow control. Then after that, modifiers also there are 11 modifiers. Okay. The next is exception handling. Exception handling. To handle the exception, what are the keyword required? What are the keyword required? Those are 6. Okay. Now class related keyword, class related keywords. How many are there? Class related keyword are 6 are there. Then next is how many object related keyword? Object related keyword. How many are in number? There are total 4 in number. Then we have void return keyword. Then we have void return keyword. Then we have void return keyword. Then we have unused keyword. Then we have unused keyword. Then we have unused keyword. Okay. Then we have reserved literals. Reserved literals. We have reserved literals. Reserved literals. Then we have enums. Then we have enums. Then we have enums. Okay. Then we have enums. Now we are just discussing what are the topic we are going to cover into Core Java fundamental. We did not even started what is data type. Okay. Now after data type, we have how many data type? Like we have data types. We are going to see data type. We are going to see flow control. Then we are going to see literals. Where is the literal? Here is the literals. Okay. Then here what we are going to see? Integral literal, floating point literal, boolean literal, char literal, string literal, and what are the version enhancement? Okay. Then we are going to see arrays. We are going to see arrays. We are going to see arrays. How many types of array we are going to see? There is a single dimensional. Then we are going to see two dimensional. Then we are going to see two dimensional. Then what we are going to see? Three dimensional array. Then we are going to see three dimensional array. Then after that we will see array construction. Then we will see array initialization. Initialization. Then we will see array initialization, then declaration, then construction. Already I have noted down. Okay. This is something in one line. This is different thing. Okay. So these are the topics. If we come to data type, what are the data type we are going to see? Okay, byte. Then we are going to see short. Then what we are going to see? Int. Then we are going to see long. Then we are going to see float. Then we are going to see double. Okay. Double. Then we are going to see char. Okay. Char. Okay. So these are the data type. Okay, byte, short, int, long, okay, float. Then we have boolean also. We have boolean also. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why these are the result keyword. These are the result keyword. We cannot define by our, we cannot define using this, that we are writing one class name byte. If I want to write one class name here as byte, it is not allowed, because this is result keyword, it will show errors. See, I need to change something in that bytes, something I need to rename that. Okay, with that is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so these are result keyword, guys. Again, I am repeating. Today we started the actual topic for Java fundamental. Till yesterday, what I have seen, okay, that is nothing to do with our programming in Java. But focus from today, that whatever I am explaining, okay, previously is fine. Again, we are going to see daily main method, system.out.println method. This we are going to see daily. That's why I explain this very first program, each and every syntax. But today onward, our actual topic started. Okay. So this is the topic for what are identifier, what are the result keyword, what are the data type, flow control, modifier. These are we are going to see. Hope you are good. So now after array, then we are going to see very important interview point of view, length versus length method, length versus length method. This is going to be asked into your interview question. Length versus, spelling mistake, length versus length method. Whenever we are using this symbol in front of any word, it means it is a method. So this is length method. This part is length method. Then what we are going to see in this topic, what we are going to see after that, types of variable. Now after that, what we are going to see, types of variable. Types of variable. We have seen yesterday, right? You have seen yesterday that variable, but types of variable we are going to see. Okay. What are the types of variable? Primitive variable, primitive variable. Then the next is reference variable. Then reference variable. Then next topic is instance variable. Instance variable. We are going to see instance variable. Then we are going to see static variable. Then we are going to see static variable. Then we are going to see local variable. Then we are going to see local variable. Then what is the next topic? These are all about arrays. Then what is the coding standard, and some more topic like version, like Java 1.7 version enhancement that we are going to see. After types of variable, what are the enhancement? Okay, what are the changes that we are going to see? Then what is the next topic? Then we will see Java coding standard. Java coding standard. So these are the topic, guys. See, first chapter only required this many topic, right? If we consider core Java fundamental as our first topic, okay, so these many topics are required actual. Then only we can go to next level. Okay, you should know all these things. Okay, so let me start our first chapter, first topic, that is identifier. What is mean by identifier, guys? What is mean by identifier? Okay, so what is mean by identifier? So identifier means name, something called name. Name in Java, we can call as identifier. So how you are identified? There are so many people in the meeting, 100 plus people in the meeting. Okay, I will call, there are two people, Mohit and Mayur. then I am calling Mohit, then Mohit will reply. Then when I call Mayank, Mayank will reply, right? To your name, by your name you are identified. So the identifier means always English mean, English word है. इंग्लिश वर्ड का मीनिंग जो है वही उसका पर्पस है. आइडेंटिफाई समथिंग. तो नेम्स इन जावा, तो इट वो क्या हो सकता है, किस चीज का नाम, नेम ऑफ क्लास, नेम ऑफ क्लास हो सकता है. ठीक है. क्या हो सकता है, नेम ऑफ मेथड, मेथड नेम हो सकता है, मेथड नेम हो सकता है. देन क्या हो सकता है, वेरिएबल नेम हो सकता है, वेरिएबल नेम हो सकता है. ठीक है. ठीक है. तो ये सब चीज मिलके क्या होता है, दिस इज नेम ऑफ क्लास. क्लास का नेम, जैसे कल हमने क्लास बनाया, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ क्लास, फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम. आई कैन कॉल दिस एज फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम. ठीक है. तो दिस इज नेम. आइडेंटिफायर मीन्स विच इज through which we are recognizing something. So in the yesterday example, if we, I will copy paste here. Okay, this is the program, this is the program. So what is here, public class first program. So first program is what, identifier. What is the method name guys, what is the method name guys, main method. Okay, what is the main method name guys, main method. Okay. ठीक है. Hope you are good. Hope you are good. Now we will see something, some more detail. Okay. Now let's, what are the rules? Rules for identifier. What are the rules for identifier? What are the rules for identifier? Rules for identifier. Means, what is the rule? What is the rule? The only character in Java identifier. Okay. That is small a2, small a2, small z, capital A2, capital Z. What are the number you can use? 0 to 9, and underscore you can use. So these are the characters allowed in Java identifier. When I am talking about Java identifier, class name, method name, variable, method, class. Whenever you are using, you have to follow this. What possible character you can use? Small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9. Now we will take one or two example, but you have to play. You have to play by your own. You have to do practice, guys. Okay, this is the one first rule. Okay, that you can use A to Z. Okay, what are the identifier in this program? This is the first program. Okay, this is the first program. This is the method name. Okay, let me take one example. Let me take one example. One variable I am taking, x equal to 10. X equal to 10. Guys, very simple. Error in x. Error in x. X is a variable. X is a variable. 10 is the information, data or value you can say. How x can understand that what is the value? 10 will be held by x when we can assign something data type. Let me give string. Then error is move to which, right hand side. Then error is go to right hand side from x, because till left hand side is good. X can be, this variable name can be anything, but what we are trying to hold, value. Value into string. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. String should be defined in double quote. String should be defined in double quote. Then error go. So now 10. Even though we are writing 10, but it is considered as string because it is in double quote. Okay, when I am removing this double quote, then I am keeping 10. So 10 is, it is not considering, this variable is asking, hey, give me English, not number. So this number is saying to x, hey boss, change your type, instead of string, make it int. Now error gone. Error gone. So this is the data type. Now listen to me. Now let me system dot out dot println double quote and end with semicolon. System. Okay. Now this is the printing statement. Let me write some meaningful. The value of x is space. So whatever mention in double quote, it will print as it is. Let me run this program. Value of x is printed as it is, whatever in double quote. But the x value is printed? No. So we need to add something. Double quote plus something. How we can add? Using plus. What I need to add? X. So 10 is held by which variable? X. And X will pass here. Okay. So now the value of X will become 10. Simple program, no big science. When without plus X, what is the output? The value of X is 10. Okay. Now when I run this program, run as Java application. Now it is printed, guys, right? But there is no space between colon and 10. When I give some space here, one space I give, Control S. Now I will run the program. Run as Java application. Now space came, right, between X and colon and 10. So this is how we can keep the value. Okay. One data type we are trying to understand slowly as one thing. What is the rule, guys? What is the rule? What is our rule for identifier? The rule for identifier means rule for class method name. This is the rule. Okay. So what are the character we can use? We can use underscore. Let me give, instead of X, I can use number. I can use number. So I have changed my screen stop. Now I have changed X, so I can keep here also, na? I can use underscore. Yes, I can use underscore because this is our rule. Okay, now I am running the program. Will it work? Yes, it is working. So underscore we can use. Okay. So what I am trying to say is, whatever I am telling you, it's your duty to use rule, apply the rule. I apply underscore. You can apply underscore. This is the variable name. What is my rule? Class name, method name, variable name. I apply to whom? Variable. Similarly, you can practice, right? You can change, you can make it capital B. Is it going to work? Let's say. You have to play Java application. The output is still same. But पर ये देखने में अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? NU underscore B capital something. No, right? but I can use something. Why underscore? Let me give it number. Number. ठीक है? Now it's look good. ठीक है? But now I want mobile number. Now I want mobile number. So in that situation, either you can use camel case, or you can use underscore. What is camel case, guys? What is camel case? I will write mobile. Mobile is one word and number is one word. So what I will do, for other number, we will keep first letter capital. So this is how you can write mobile number. So it will readable. The thing is, the purpose is readable. It should be readable. If anyone, tomorrow you write 1,000 line of code and tomorrow another guy came in your company. Now listen to me. Tomorrow another guy came in your company who did not write that code and you join another company. You are working in Infosys tomorrow. Tomorrow you join HCL and some other guy came. So you are not supposed to give full one line KT. You will show code walkthrough by reading this naming convention. Okay. one can easily understand. Okay, this belong to mobile number. So mobile number, what is the digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a 10-digit mobile number, na guys. Okay, but why error? I will tell you, because there is size of data type. There is size of data type which is not able to hold this number. Okay, let's say there I will come to other data type which can able to hold. We are not yet come to the topic. Let's say there is a 5-digit mobile number. Okay, let me run this program. Will it work? Check this. Yes. So naming convention we are follow. Other than this, you can use underscore also na. Underscore also na here. If you run this program. So my purpose of this rule is still the output is same. So purpose of rule is to make readability. Your readability should be good. Okay, are good. Okay. See, these are very small thing. A small concept today, small concept tomorrow, small concept of 10 days. Then you will understand na. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not. You will see. Arey sir, why this integer? Why this integer? Why this string? Okay, this is data type. We can use integer also. We can use integer. There is one more that is come into wrapper class, but we did not reach to that point. Guys, today our only first topic, first chapter you can consider till yesterday what we have seen. That is very basic thing, history like that, introduction to Java. But today onward, please focus, please attend the session. And as per the admin instruction, we are not going to upload all the recording in YouTube. We will add the recording who people, for example, you 100 guys joined today. We will share the drive to you. We will download the report. Admin will download the report, and whatever the email ID today's attendees, for those only recording will be shared. Okay, so we are taking care of you, that you should not miss that, and there should be some validity. Okay, if for example today you don't join, okay, today you don't join and you ask that I want that recording, then definitely admin what it will do? Admin will ask your email ID. Okay, which day recording? She will check that day you attended or not. If you don't attend that day, then recording won't be shared to you. Simple. Okay. To learn something, you have to do hard work. You have to join early and you have to attend regularly. Okay. If you are not attending, means it's your fault. It's not our fault. Okay. Okay. Our purpose, our this strategy is to make you understand core Java. Okay, and you should attend regularly. Then what is the use if you join today's session and don't join 4th session? Then again 6th session, you will ask, sir, I need this recording, I need that recording. That we don't have that much of time. Okay, we have time for the people who are serious, who want to build their career. Okay, for those people we have time. But people who don't join, they are just asking, okay, sir, give me the recording. We will check, because we have report. We have all the reports. I will show you one report also. I will show you one report also. This is one of the report. This is the report. This is the report, day-to-day report we are downloading. I won't show the name, but see, people are joining. When people are joining, at what time, that time, joining time, leave time, what is the duration. Okay, so people having joining good amount of time, we can understand. But there are some people who join for 1 minute like this, then it will be difficult, na? Sometimes it is we can understand that there may be some challenge for you. Okay, but every day is not challenge, na? If some medical emergency, some other emergency, we can consider that day. So we are tracking each and everything. Admin is tracking everything. They are giving instruction. I am passing that instruction to you. So please consider and join regularly. Okay. We are not charging for this course, but we want you to attend regularly in a disciplined way and practice, so that by the end of the course, you will yourself will consider कि मैं यहाँ से कुछ सीख के गया। ओके, ठीक है, दिस इज द टॉपिक. Come to our topic, core Java fundamental. In core Java fundamental, these are the topic we are going to see: identify, result keyword, data type, flow control. Till now we are defining only first topic, identifier. Identifier, what is mean by identifier? Name. Simple, no need to learn this thing. Nobody is going to ask you. Whenever I am focusing, this is interview question, means then you have to focus and some keep diary and pen, just note down one line. No need to maintain notes, no need to write each and everything. We are providing the recording so you can take those notes later also, and we are sharing the notes as well. Okay, there will be tomorrow 400 pages of notes, so you are going to by heart everything? No, we are sharing the notes in the chat also, channel also. Tomorrow you can just watch the screenshot image. Okay, to discuss this thing, 5 points you can read that day only, directly you can close that, right? This is the simple way. So now, what is identifier? Identifier is something name for anything like class name, method. So what is the rule for identifier? You can use this many character including underscore. So with this character you can include in your name. The purpose is readability should be good. Readability should be good. If you are using any other character, what will happen, guys? Any other character, try another character, that is your work. You can try dollar, you can try like star, try that, what will happen? Okay, try that, what will happen? Instead of underscore, try star, what will happen? It is Eclipse ID, so it is giving error. See, it is ID, so it is giving error. It is not allowing you. In industry, in the real project, you have to use Eclipse ID, STS ID, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so what is our, the thing, the more we learn, we will have hands-on on this ID. It will make your life easier. It will make your life easier. One shortcut I told you yesterday. Click any line. Click any line. My cursor is blinking on line number 8. What is the shortcut to comment this line? Control question mark. The whole line will be commented. This will come with practice. Okay, if you are using, I want to comment complete code. What I will do? Control A, control question mark. All lines are commented. Whatever lines are commented, I need to uncomment. Again, control question mark. This is a shortcut, na? So whatever I am telling you guys, use this. I want to delete this line. I want to delete this line. What is the shortcut? Control D. Control D is the shortcut. Control Z. Okay, so this is the shortcut. 1122 shortcut. If you do practice with the small piece of code, what you are doing, you are understanding Eclipse, you are understanding the program, you are understanding concept. This is the basic expectation. Okay. The next thing is that you can use other character also. Okay. Now, what is, wow, 1 minute, guys. So one more thing, guys, we cannot use other characters as identifier. As identifier is identifier like star, like percentage, right? Like, and we cannot use this. Okay, these are the identifier. What are the rules? We can use this. Okay, but we cannot use other than this in our identifier. Otherwise, you will get compile time error. Okay. See, when some mistake I am doing, this is error, na? If it is error, means it is not allowing you. It is giving you, see, you can understand. Number cannot be resolved to very well. Some suggestion it is giving. So, if you run through Notepad, we will see that too also. Huh? There is some issue in my system. So, Notepad is, that command line is not working. I will check that and we will take one more two example on that. Okay. So what we can use? We can use this. We can use this. Okay. We can use the other character as well. Okay. Now this is rule 1. This is rule 1. This is rule 2. Okay. Now next rule. So what is the rule? Identifier are not allowed to start with digit. Okay. Identifier not allowed to digit, not allowed with digit. Let me try. 1, 2, 3. Is it working, guys? Is it working, guys? No. Variable is identifier. Class name is identifier. Java program is identifier. So whatever I am applying, it is applicable to method name, class name also. I am using 1, 2, 3. Is it working? It is giving error, right? So what is the rule? What is the rule, guys? Digits are not allowed at the beginning of identifiers. What are the identifier? Names. Identifier means names of class, method name and variable. So these are the concept. The next thing is next rule. So these are case sensitive. So Java identifier are case sensitive. Okay. So we can use, as I mentioned you guys, we can use capital also and small also. There is no problem. But we can differentiate with case sensitive. Okay. I will use number. Forget about this line. Is it working now? But what is your purpose? It should be readable. Mobile, if I am using mobile number, see how it looks. It's not looking good, na? You are not, but I feel I will use camel case, like it is good, right? So this is coding. You can consider naming convention or coding standard. Okay. Tomorrow you are joining company. In your project, you will find 100 variable. I am explaining one variable. There will be 100 variable. Forget about code. There will be itself 100 variable. So how it will look if proper naming convention is not there, right? It is not about you. It is about everyone, because tomorrow you are writing the code. So make a habit that you should write in a good way. For example, tomorrow in your team, somebody is checking that code, using that code. He or she should be able to understand. For example, you are going to some other company, freshly you are joining, then it will be difficult, na, if coding standard is not maintained. Then your lead will scold you. There is a code review process also there. Okay, whenever you are writing some code, so you are not directly move that code into production. First, what will happen? You will move the code into Git, whatever the repository version control tool you are using, Git, GitHub, GitLab. Then that code will be moved to your branch. Even you don't know GitHub, that is fine. I am telling you. If time will come, I will show you also that GitHub, how it is working. Okay, but that is not part of our core Java. But if time permits, then we will take. So GitHub, you are moving the code in GitHub, then that code, you are allowing your lead, you are adding your lead to review that. Then your lead will review the code from top to bottom. He will rectify the mistake. And if you find that silly mistake, then he will scold, na? He will scold you that you don't know naming convention, you are not writing proper code, even though your logic is good. Okay, so these are the very important point. Okay, so digits are not allowed at the beginning. Okay, or Java identifier are case sensitive. Okay, the here case sensitive. Okay, then next is what? There is no length limit for Java identifier. No length limit. What does it mean? Mobile number. It can be very big also. Any problem? 100 variable name itself 1000 is a having 1,000 character. Is it good practice? It is a bad practice. It is allowed, but it is good practice. You cannot use, there may be a mobile number, there may be a mobile number, let's say, there may be big variable name, mobile number, Airtel. It is readable ना guys? You can easily read it, right? आप इसको आराम से पढ़ सकते, रीडेबल मीन्स पढ़ सकते, मोबाइल नंबर एयरटेल. So it is recommended to take only a few characters which can be readable. Okay, it is not a story that you will use 100 lines in a variable. What is the purpose? That purpose should be fulfilled with the variable name. Okay, this is the rule. No limit, no length limit, but should use should use okay. The next rule is we cannot use result keyword as identifier. I told you, right? I told you result keyword. How many result keywords? Data type is result keyword. Flow control, there are 11. Modifiers are 11. We are yet to come. But think, we cannot use result keyword as identifier. We cannot use result keywords as identifier. Okay. For example, if else, you have seen that word, right? Logic if else. It means this is the syntax, na? If this is a result keyword, na? This is a result keyword, na? If else, can we use this? Let me try this. If it is working, no, it is not working. Is it working? No, it is not working. It is a Java keyword. Okay. Is it work? Is it working? No, this is result keyword. So whatever the 50 plus result keywords are there. So those result keywords you cannot use. We cannot use result keyword as identifier. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, I was on mute. Okay. So now result keyword. So this is data type. So we have 8 result keyword. As I mentioned, we cannot use this small b. But everything should be small character. Everything should be small character. Everything should be small character. So byte, short, int is also small character, long, float, double. So these are 8 data types. We are going to see one by one. For example, I am using int, right? Maximum I am using int, right? So hope you are understanding. Whatever we are going to see in more detail. What is the size of data type? What type of value it can hold? What type of value it cannot? So now result keyword for flow control. What are the, if is the one result keyword, else is the result keyword, switch is the result keyword, case is the result keyword, default is the result keyword, for is the result keyword, do is the result keyword, while is the result keyword, and break is the result keyword. Then continue is the result keyword, then return is the result keyword. We are going to see this in our slowly small program. Small program help you to understand all these things which enhance your coding coding skills. Hope you are good with me. Now, next is for modifier. What is the modifier? What are the type? Public, private, protected, then static, then we have final, then we have final, then we have abstract, then we have synchronized, then we have native, then we have strict FP, then we have transient, interview question, volatile, interview question. Guys, this is interview question. When I am saying interview question, please focus. In interview, people will ask you, what is transient keyword? They will ask you, what is volatile keyword? So I am just noting down in the screen. It is not a theory, right? You have to see practically where are the uses. So these are the keyword in hello world. Only what I use public. Till now what I use public. Till now from this keyword what I have used public. So here is the public. Okay, public. Hope you are good. Okay, now mostly they will ask transient, volatile, but we know the synchronize also they will ask. Okay, we will slowly each and everything. Very much important. You should know the meaning. Only one liner definition. If you write the 4 line of program daily, then your life become easier. You are able, because complete Java interviews on core Java. I will guarantee you, Java किसी से भी पूछ के आओ, पूरा core Java पे 50-60%. They will ask you 2 questions on Spring Boot, 3 questions on some framework. They will ask conceptual, but core Java. If you know core Java, then they can trust the candidate is good. I'm telling you why I'm telling you again and again. Why core Java? Core Java is the backbone of complete Java development. In Spring Boot, what are the annotation at the Spring Boot application? How it works? You should know the annotation which are used. What are the @service? What are the component? What is REST controller? What is the purpose? When to use? How to use? These are related to frameworks, but logical things you should be able to do with the help of this core Java. So it is very much important. Okay. Today I expect you guys to download the software because I uploaded the recording and shared the link in this chat as well. Start the download today whenever you are getting time, and please practice first program. Okay. Now exceptional handling keyword. We will try, then we have catch. If you got error, how to handle? So we have this keyword. Okay, we have try, catch, finally. Then we have throw keyword. Till now we did not started. We are just trying to know what are the topic. Then we have throw. Then we have one throws. Interview question. Everything is interview question. Where to use, how to use, what is, how to use try catch, what is different between finalize, finally keyword. I yet to came to that final, right? But what is the difference between throw and throws? Interview question. You should know this. Okay. This is the keywords you are going to use. Then we have assets. Okay. Okay. The next class related keywords. We are just noting down what are the keywords. Slowly we will see. Class related keyword, class. Then package. package, then we have import, then we have extend, we have extend, then we have implements, then we have implements, then we have interface, then we have interface. Why class related, guys? Why class related? To write a class, you read this all these things. To write your hello world program, you require class. To write your hello world program, you require package, right? In this diagram, what we have seen, what you have seen, you are trying to import print stream. You are trying to import print stream where? In system class. So what you use? Import. Okay. So class we have seen somewhere in our program. This is the class we are using. Okay. We are using package. What is the package? This is the package. It is kind of directory. One directory, another directory. Okay. So we are using this. We again see daily we will see. So these are the keywords to create a class. That's why to handle the exception we are using these keywords. Try, catch, finally, throw, throws, etc. Okay. To provide the access to our class, we want to give access or not. We will use this many keywords. To write logic, we will use this if, else, switch. Okay, to hold the data, we have to hold different type of data. We have data types. We will see one by one. Then we have object keyword. I told you how to create object using new keyword. Then we can have instance of. With this also we can create. When we have super and this. These are the four keyword. These are the four keyword which are going to use, which are related to object. Hope you are good. Hope you are good. Okay. Okay. So now about void, we will close this 2-3 topic slowly in a couple of minutes so that we are good with result keyword. What are the result keyword? So what is void? What is mean by void? What is mean by void? We have seen, right? Void here. What is void? We are not returning any output. If a method won't return any output, if an method did not return any output, then we use this. Already we seen when in this example, interview question, why main method have void? Why? Because if any output also you are going to give, who is going to use? Who is calling this method? JVM. So what JVM will do your output? Nothing. So any use of giving output? No. So that's why we kept here void. Hope you are good. Hope you are good. Okay. Now this is void we have seen. We have a new create a new keyword also. There is one keyword go to. Then we have const. Okay. These are the unused keyword. We are not using. Okay. We will see this in examples. Then we have result keyword. Result literals. True, false. You know, right? True, false. And we have null. Right? We will see simple thing true, false, and null. Now, enum. What is the enum? When it is introduced, I told you it is introduced in 1.5 version. In about topic, see enum. Enum introduced in 1.5 version. So this is the one keyword, enum. This is the keyword. Where is one? Yeah, here. Enum. It is introduced in which version? 1.5 version. Okay. So what is the purpose of enum? What is the purpose of enum? For constant. Holding the constant. Simple. You will see that. You will see that one by one example. For holding the constant, we are using this. Till now, we are good. Okay. One minute, guys. So guys, you have any doubt in today's topic? Let me know. Hello guys, let me unmute your all.
No doubt, sir. It's all clear.
All clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर पब्लिक क्लास की जगह हम प्राइवेट नहीं यूज कर सकते क्या?
That is what we have started just our topic. We will try all this. Just now we have noted down the topic we are going to discuss in our first chapter. There are 50 plus keywords we are going to use and we will play that. It is like a game. Sometime we will use make it intentionally public, we will make it private, like how I was changing variable name for that identifier. Same way we will do that so that everything be in front of you and you also can practice by changing the value, right? So guys, one request to everyone, okay, please add some comment in our videos in YouTube. That will be very helpful and that will motivate me. Okay. Whatever the recording is there. Okay. Please add some comment, beautiful comment. That will help me to motivate. Okay. That
Thank you,
is
sir.
the, yeah. Anything else, guys? And we
Sir,
will upload the YouTube recording as well, but in a mixed way. Okay. But going forward, as per admin instruction, so we are going to use your email ID. For example, today whoever attended, we have the report. We will share the recording to you.
hello,
Okay. Let me stop the recording.
sir,
1 minute.
sir.